Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Oceanic Cyanea mask. So this is a very unique mask, mainly because of its mask strap. And they've taken this more from the sort of snowboarding scene, where instead of a silicone mask strap that can get sort of tangled and stuck to your hair, they've got a elasticated sort of webbing band, which is surprisingly comfortable. So the mask itself has twin lenses and they're a modified teardrop lens. So you have really good peripheral vision and you can see down as well, makes reading your gauges and your computer much easier. This is a framed mask, so you have this rigid frame, but it doesn't have the same kind of bulk as a traditional framed mask. Because of this mask strap, the mask strap is attached to the frame, but because it doesn't require buckles like a silicone mask strap does, it can actually fold down really flat. The mask strap itself is a elasticated sort of bungee, so it's got some stretch in it, and you can adjust it as normal by moving this buckle backwards and forwards to make it longer or shorter. But once it's set up, that's going to hold its position, but you do have that extra give to make it a little bit easier to put on and take off. On the inside of that mask strap, you have these little waves of silicone. So it's still going to grip the back of your head and it's still going to grip the back of your hood as well. So that mask strap isn't going to be sort of moving around during the dive, but it's not quite as sort of grippy or sticky as a full silicone sort of mask strap is. So it's not going to pull your hair nearly as much as a traditional mask strap. They also have fitted a snorkel loop on that, because this is a bit wider than a traditional mask strap. Your normal snorkel loop or your snorkel keep isn't actually going to fit over the top of it, so they have this bungee one fitted, so you can fit the tube of the snorkel through that. It's elasticated, so you can stretch it over the top of the snorkel, and it holds it at a nice angle, so you can use it whilst snorkeling. Now the skirt itself, as you can see, it has these ridges just around the ceiling edge of the skirt, and these work to actually transfer the energy or the pressure from the mask. So at the end of the dive, you don't have that sort of ring around your face. It's transferring that energy, so it's a bit more comfortable and evenly spread around that seal. On the inside, we have a second seal. So you have a really wide sealing area all the way around your face. So instead of just a single point of contact, it's really wide. That traps the air inside and stops any water from getting in. So all in all, a really comprehensive mask. It's got everything that you expect from a usual mask, from tempered glass lenses to a decent sized nose pocket. This is the Oceanic Cyanea mask. Thanks for watching and safe diving.